In this guide, I'm going to show you how to connect your YouTube channel to your Discord account. So first, open your Discord application, or you can also launch your web browser and go to discord.com, log into your specific account, then select the user settings icon from the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you're here, you need to scroll down in the left-hand side of the screen and go to the section of games and apps where you'll get the option of connected apps. Go ahead and select connections from the drop-down menu. And remember that if you're in a streamer mode, exit it first. Then under add a new connection, click on this icon right here to view more and select the YouTube icon, which is usually in the bottom row. And this will direct you to your YouTube account. Choose the account that you wish to link. Then after check these boxes, scroll down, click on continue. Your YouTube account is now connected. Returning to Discord, you'll see YouTube listed under your connections, and you can then choose whether or not to display it on your profile or not. Once displayed, others can click on it to view your YouTube channel directly from your YouTube profile. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.